Global typhoon activity is exploding. The Northwest Pacific has issued its highest defense alert. The Northern Hemisphere has now officially entered the most extreme period of typhoon activity for the year. Authoritative meteorological data shows that the Northwest Pacific has fully entered its peak typhoon season, with higher sea temperatures fueling terrifying storm development. In the coming weeks, a large number of new tropical systems will continue to form rapidly, with some having the risk of quick intensification. Under the influence of superstorm air currents, multi-point convection will bring historically rare extreme rainfall, widespread storm surges, and sudden flash floods. Currently, the southeastern coast of China, Japan, the Philippines, and surrounding sovereign waters must continuously and closely monitor all typhoon path changes. Disaster Preparedness Guide. With multiple disasters occurring during the peak typhoon season, residents in coastal and low-lying flood-prone areas must prepare for typhoons and evacuate in advance. Follow me for daily updates on extreme weather warnings worldwide.